today I have for you the 2021 Fiat Talento. This one here has 40,000 miles upon the clock. It is a long wheelbase 6-doored medium van. It does come to you with cruise control, hands-free cooling and also voice assist, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, radio, satellite navigation, 3 cloth line seats upon the interior, a 6-speed manual transmission as well as air conditioning. It's also having as well, and if we look at the back, we do of course have a ply lined interior lit back, and it does come with cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you the space from the back as well. Now, as you can see, there is a pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Fiat Talento, then please feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or come to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading. Come have a look, take it for a test drive, speak to our specialist about it, and you never know, one day this van could be yours.